Hello everyone. In the last video, we were talking about for the 6th standard English subject and predicate. These are the parts of elements of a sentence. Elements of subjects are elements of sentence are subject and predicate. Okay. In the yesterday's video, we have seen that if the subject has given, then what we can add as an predicate. Okay. In every sentence, there are two parts of any sentence. One is the subject and other is the predicate. Means what subject is going to have the prediction or what the subject is doing in the sentence. Okay, if Ram is playing football, so here Ram, what he is doing is playing football. Okay, so elements of sentence, we can say that it is the part which shows some action. Okay, so subject and predicate. Okay, two elements are there. Okay, so it is not necessary that always subject is the first, but so many of the time subject is at the beginning, but some of the time it is might be at the end. Okay, so now yesterday we have seen that if subject is given like she, so you have to add the predicate that she likes to go for dance. Okay, that predicate you have added. Now today what we have to do is we have to see that if the predicate has been given, then you have to add the subject. Okay, this is the exercise where the predicate has been given, you need to write the subject. Okay, the best possible subject. Okay, so we have to add the subject. Okay, the first is moves around the sun. Okay, moves around the sun. This is the first sentence given. Okay, so moves around the sun. So all the planets are move around the sun. That also you can write. What the possible answer can be? You can write planets. Yeah, all planets or all planet moves around the sun. The possible another answer is the Earth moves around the sun. You can also write the Mars, the Jupiter, means all the planets which moves around the sun, that you can take the name of it. Okay. So you can write here the Earth moves around the sun. Now next question is capital of India. Okay, so you know that what is the capital of India, so you have to write the name. So you have to write New Delhi is capital of India. Okay, now third is build nest. Okay, who build nest? That everybody knows that the birds build a nest. Okay, now phone number is the shortest month. Is the shortest month. Okay, there are 12 months in a year. Some of year has 30 days. Some of the months have 31st days. which is the shortest month? So everybody knows that February has only 28 days. If the leap year is there, then there is only 29 days. Then only the February is shortest month. So you can say that February is the shortest month. Okay. Then 5 number is the most precious metal. Okay, dash is the most precious metal. If you talk about metal, so there are copper, iron, gold, silver. Okay, these are the metals. But what is the or which is the metal is very precious? So we know that platinum is the precious. So you can write that platinum is the most precious metal. Okay, next is dash has delivered 3 letters today. So who delivers the letter? So you can write that the postman delivers the letters. Okay. Dash is a good exercise. So you can write that which exercise is best. You can say that walking, brisk walking, okay, jumping, you can say that skipping, that also the best. Whatever you suits that you can write. Dash falls from the clouds. So what falls from the clouds? So rain. Okay, you can write rain falls from the clouds. Then dash is mine. So you can say that this bag is mine, the marker is mine, then this mobile phone is mine, the whiteboard is mine, the pencil eraser is mine. Okay, you can also write this book is mine. The possible answer you can write. Then dash was the first Prime Minister of India. So this is the fact that other thing you cannot write. You have to write that who was the first Prime Minister of India. So you can write that the first Prime Minister of India was Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay. Now there is another thing is given. The person or thing to whom or which something is done called object. Okay, the dog bit Tom. Did the following sentences. The dog bit Tom. So who did the dog bite Tom? Okay, Rekha is picking flower. So here flowers are the object. Okay, so you can say see also here if you want to know about the object. What is the object? So the earth moves around the sun. So you understand that the earth is doing action in it. But what is the object in it? In it, object is the sun. We are talking about here the capital name. But in that it is necessary to have the object that they are talking about. This is India. Means if we want to write here Sri Lanka or China, so the capital will be different. Okay. So if here in this sentence, if we talk about here the nest. So who built the nest? Who dash built? So that is incomplete sentence. If the object is given like nest, that means it is shown that nest has been made by the birds. Okay. In the first sentence, Tom object of the verb bit. In second, flower, and third is picking of nearby. Sometimes a verb has two objects. So study the following sentence. She gave me her address. So here object 1 and object 2. Okay, means suppose she has given me her address. That means here me is the object 1 and this her address is object 2. Okay. So in particular sentence there can be two objects. Okay. Rahul lent us his camera. So here us and his camera is object 1 and his camera is object 2. Okay. So this kind of sentence having two objects are there. The first object refers the person receiving something, and the other object refers to the thing. Okay. Okay, so today we have learned that if the predicate has been given, we can add the subject according to the best suitability of the predicate. Means if the predicate suits something else, you can add, but most suitable answer you have to write. Suppose here the dash is the capital of India. That means that we have to write New Delhi. We can't write any other, like we can't write Mumbai, we can't write Chennai, we can't write Chandigarh, because we know that if the capital of India is Delhi. Okay, so that possible answers you have to write. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.